Hey there, it's Brittany, and it is my favorite day of the month. The Bargain Bead Box monthly subscription came. It's only February 6th. I'm like shocked. It's so fast. Mine never comes this quickly. So, this month is Spring Rain. Oh, that sounds nice. Rich aqua colors and antique copper findings. This month's collection evokes the refreshing rejuvenation of gentle spring rains. Highlights include bold agate drops and a full strand of tiny faceted apatite rounds with a palette of aqua glass, crystal, and gemstone beads. Yummy! In a variety of textures and finishes. So every month they also, if you're a subscriber, give you a 30% off coupon for their sister store bead box bargains. I will include a link below to if you'd like to subscribe. You can just click the link and sign right up. It is my favorite subscription, and I've had it for at least 4 years. I love it. I wouldn't probably, unless something drastic changes, I'll probably never cancel it. Let me get these laid out, and I'll be right back. Okay, so number one is a 36 millimeter Teardrop Chandelier focal. Lead and nickel free. They tend to include a lot of chandeliers in their kits. That one's pretty. Very nice. Number two is 1 meter 3x2 steel jewelry chain, antique copper, lead, nickel, cadmium free. And then I'm going to try and scooch in or get the light to be a little bit better. It seems a little not bright enough right now. I have a malfunctioning light. It broke and I can't fix it. So it's propped up by packing tape. So sorry, that probably didn't make it any better. But number three is 2-piece 30 by 21 millimeter fancy shield links, lead and nickel free. Ooh, these are really nice. Ooh, I like these. These are really cool. They're very substantial, and they have the same pattern on both sides. I like how it's like a heart. These are really nice. I kind of want to use these in my polymer clay. These are really cool. I might make a mold of one of those. Those are really neat. I like those a lot. Number four, faceted aqua quartz teardrop pendant. Ooh, that's pretty. What is this? Aqua quartz. It looks green. It's definitely green in real life. I don't know. I'm going to try and scooch in a little bit. Sorry. A little bit. Oh, yeah. There we go. That's much brighter. Gosh. Yeah, it's bright green. Or not bright green, but it's green. It's very, very pretty, though. Very pretty. Let's see. Number five. 4 pieces, 26 by 17 millimeter chandelier findings, nickel free. Very pretty, very tribal, very cute. I like those. Number 6, I've seen these on their site, and I've seen a couple of these things on their site, so I'm surprised that they're in this box. 10 pieces, 13.5 by 10.5 millimeter pressed glass leaf charms, aqua ombre. So they go from aqua down to clear. I've seen these on their site in a different color, and I almost bought them, but now I'm sad I didn't because I really like these. And you guys know I like my check glass leaves. Those are really pretty. Number 7 is 7-inch strand, 4x3 millimeter crystal rondelle beads, frosted aqua. Is this number 7? Because these aren't faceted. Huh, I didn't think that. Oh, I read the wrong one, guys. Welcome to reading off of a paper, Brittany. Okay, so 6-piece strand, 6.5 millimeter top drilled glass rondelle beads, aqua shimmer. These are really pretty. I just like, that wasn't computing for me. I'm like, how are these crystals? So these are really pretty, and they're kind of like, they just remind me of like little bubbles. Those are really neat. I like those. I love that AB. Number 8 is the 7-inch strand, 4x3 millimeter crystal rondelle beads, frosted aqua. Yeah, and these are faceted. Very lightly faceted, but I mean, because of the matte finish, you can't really tell just looking at them, but they're very neat. I like those. This is really cool. Number 9 is a 10-gram bag of 15 millimeter dagger drops, lead, nickel, cadmium free. I haven't seen these in metal before. I've only seen them in checked glass. These are so cool. Those are really neat. I wish I had more of those. Like, I didn't know they made them in metal. I mean, I knew they made them in glass, but I didn't know that they made them in metal. Those are really neat. I like those a lot. Well, if they get those on their site, I'm going to have to place an order because those are amazing. Number 10, 12-piece strand, 10 millimeter matte stripe crystal round beads, blue-green iris. So I call these orbs because one website that I order from, I can't remember if it was Lima or Cherry Tree calls them orbs, but I really like these. This is one of my favorite crystal shapes. It's just so cool. And this is a really good color. It's a little darker. It's showing up a little darker in the camera than it is in real life. But it's very neat. I like those. They have several of those in different colors on their website right now too, because I just looked. I was literally just shopping on their website earlier today. I didn't buy anything yet. And that's why I said yet. Number 11 is a 14-inch strand of 2 millimeter finely faceted natural apatite gemstone round beads. These are beautiful. I don't think I have any apatite beads. These are beautiful. I'm going to have to hoard those for a little while. I don't think I'm going to be able to eat. Yeah. I was going to say, I don't think I'll be able to eat them. I don't think I'll be able to eat them, but I don't think I'll be able to use them either. Number 12, 2-piece 16 by 8 millimeter handmade porcelain oval beads, spring rain. Very pretty. I love that finish. Those are really pretty. Number 13 is a 10-piece 12 by 6 millimeter crystal teardrop rayolette beads, teal champagne. So if you watched my haul from their sister site a couple days ago, you would have seen that I got these in aqua and pink. I'm really digging this shape now because I used it on a necklace that I made for Jessie Jane's Beads, and I loved it. So I'm going to be getting more of these bracelets soon, for sure. Those are really pretty. Number 14, 10-gram bag of 4 by 5 millimeter fluted rondelle beads, lead, nickel, and cadmium free. You guys know that I've been buying copper spacers like crazy because I almost ran out in one of my videos. I won't be running out anytime soon, that's for sure. Number 15, ooh, these are gorgeous. 5-piece 32 by 38 millimeter agate top drill drop beads. That's a mouthful there. Crackled aqua. DH, so permanently dyed, heat treated. These are so gorgeous. They're really, like, in real life, they're even prettier. I mean, they're pretty in this video, but they're even prettier in real life. Like this one right here, that's yummy. He's so yummy. These are gorgeous. I have no idea what I would use those for, and I don't want to right now. I want to hoard them for a little bit because those are so pretty. I would definitely buy more of those. Number 16 is 10-inch strand, 6 millimeter stardust textured round glass beads, blue-green metallic. Ooh, these are so sparkly. I didn't look at them until I saw them on the camera. These are gorgeous. They're beautiful. They remind me of space. I love that they call them stardust because they look like space to me. I love space too. It's like one of my favorite things. Number 17, 50-piece 7 millimeter teardrop drops, lead, nickel, cadmium free. So these are good for finishing off the backs of necklaces, but I guess you could use them as like little drops on a necklace or earrings or whatever you wanted to use them for. Number 18, 50-piece bumpy star bead caps, lead, nickel, cadmium free. It's like they listened to me and knew that I ran out of copper spacers. Well, it didn't even run out, but was very scared that I was going to run out of copper spacers. So these spacers are bead caps. Oh, they're bead caps, but they could be spacers if you wanted them to be, but these are cute, little teeny tiny ones. That's great because a lot of the times bead caps are too big for like a 6mm bead, and then what can you do? You have to use a spacer bead. So, number 19, ooh, toggles. You know, I love me some toggles. 3 sets, 25 by 14mm teardrop toggle clasps. This is a very basic shape for toggles. I have this in several colors, but I don't think I have it in this color. I love it. That's a very good finish on these too. Sometimes anti-copper can be kind of dark, but these are very, very nice. Number 20, 4-piece 17 by 16mm fan chandelier links, lead and nickel free. Or I'm sorry, lead and cadmium free. These are beautiful. So you could just use that as a charm like that. You don't have to do anything, but then you have all these little holes that you can use for a chandelier earring, for a multi-strand necklace. Put this in the back of a necklace, put the clasp right here, and do another one on the other side, and then you can put a long, like so many different strands. You could do it in the front of a necklace. You could do a multi-strand bracelet like with these. The options are endless with these. These are really, really nice. Number 21, a 7-inch strand, 6mm crackle agate round beads, light aqua, dyed and heat treated. Very nice. Those are really nice. They look a little bit like not agate, Amazonite, but they look like agate. Like agate and Amazonite colors is what I'm trying to say. These are really pretty. I like those. And then last but not least, a 14 by 5-inch strand, 8mm quartz round beads, aqua wave, or aqua waves. So these are dyed. I can really speak today, guys. So those are really pretty. They're a nice teal. All right. Well, I really like this box. I like the metal in this box. Sometimes I kind of don't like the metal they choose, if it's that macaroni and cheese gold or if it's the rose gold, but all the metal in here is really nice. My favorite items from today were these daggers, these stardust beads. Where were they? Oh, the apatite beads, these daggers, and these drops. These were really impressive. I really liked these. So I love this box. I love this box. I would actually use these things together too. So very pretty. Shameless plug for my new challenge. I just started it yesterday. Yes, yesterday on my bead group. We're doing a 100-day color challenge. So we're doing random color picker, and I'm going to post them every day. And the goal is to make an item. It doesn't have to be jewelry. It could be a quilt. It could be a scarf. It could be a painting. It could be a sticker. It could be whatever. A drawing in the colors from the color palette I post each day. So if you're interested in something like that, please join us on my Facebook group. If you're not on Facebook, I'm sorry. I might post the colors on Instagram. But thank you so much for watching. Let me know which item was your favorite. I'm so excited that this box came like on the 6th of February. It's crazy. Anyway, thanks so much for watching. Please like and subscribe, and stay tuned for your best friend Goldie. Have a good day. Bye-bye. Yes, boss. I will for sure rub your tummy. You're so bossy. You're so bossy. Oh, okay. Okay, I'm not done, huh? You're so bossy.